Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Cardano from Robinhood to Kraken for better trading options or security. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. I'm going to walk you through it step by step, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Kraken. If you don't, head over to their websites or apps and complete the verification process. It's quicker than ever in 2025 with enhanced biometric logins. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account and navigate to your Cardano holdings. You'll find this in your portfolio section. Check your balance to ensure you have enough ADA to transfer, remembering to account for any network fees. Step 2. Initiate a withdrawal. Go to the withdrawal or transfer section in Robinhood. Select Cardano as the asset, and enter the amount you want to send. This is where things have improved in 2025. Robinhood now has a seamless interface with real-time fee estimates. Step 3. Get your Kraken wallet address. Open your Kraken app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the Cardano deposit address. Pro tip. Always verify this address twice to prevent sending funds to the wrong place, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Paste the Kraken address into the Robinhood withdrawal form. Add any required memos or tags if Kraken specifies them for Cardano deposits. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email and might see it on the Blockchain Explorer shortly after. Step 5. Head back to Kraken and monitor your deposit. In 2025, Kraken's dashboard is super intuitive, showing real-time updates. Once the funds arrive, you're good to go. Finally, a few tips. Keep an eye on gas fees, which might vary, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, consider using a hardware wallet for added security. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.